Hello guys! Good evening! Welcome back to my channel. And today, I have a surprise for you. Tcharam! Answered prayers sa lahat na nagano'n. Kasi po, meron po tayo dito ng review na keto beer, they say. Because it says Sunmig Zero Beer, low calories, 6 calories only, 3% alcohol per volume. So, later on, I'm gonna show you how does it taste. And let's see if there are some difference between the regular ones and with this one. Kasi hindi ko pa talaga siya natitikman. It indicates na number of servings per container is 1. And the carbohydrates total content is 2.5 gram. So, it depends on you kung gaano kadami ang limit nyo para sa sarili nyo. Because for myself, ako kasi 20 to 25 grams of carbohydrates I am intaking every day. That's my limit. But as much as possible, syempre, mas maganda na mas konti pa rin doon. But if we are trying to pamalong with our friends, with minsan hindi tayo makapag-inom talaga, hindi tayo makasabay, lalo na gustong-gusto natin ang lasa ng beer, but we cannot. Kasi ang allowed lang sa atin is yung mga hard brandy and whatsoever. We can take as much as 6 bottles. I'm not an expert, disclaimer. That's only in my own opinion. Kung talagang todo, laklak, ewan ko pala kung sino lang. Kasi madami din naman hindi nag-iinom siya. Pero, wala na akong practice. Later on, actual video kung ano ang mangyayari sa akin kapag nakaubos ako ng 4 na bote. Kasi 4 ang po yung nabili ko ngayon. Nagpunta kami sa lahat ng convenience store and whatsoever. Ginalugad. That's Batangas word. Kumbaga, talagang kinalkal or sinuyod nung cashier kanina. Nagpatulong ako kasi wala talaga kaming mahanap. Kasi isa lang yung nakita ko. Then sabi niya, ma'am, ubos na po. Pero meron pang 3 dito. Kunin niyo na po ba lahat? Plus yung hawak ko. So 4. Sabi ko, sige, kunin ko na lahat. And ganun sa lahat ng mall and convenience store na napuntahan namin. Ubos ng ubos. So kasi yun nga, marami na tayong mga ketogenic. Ang iba, hindi palang bulgar. Pero, by the way, my capacity when it comes to drinking, hindi ako malakas, hindi rin naman ako mahina, katamtaman lang. But I don't know ngayon kasi matagal na ako hindi nag-iinom kasi focus ako sa 2 kids ko. So, we'll see later. Okay? Buksan na natin ang isa. Let's pour it over. Yung amoy niya, amoy Pilsen. Amoy Red Horse. Hi! Just please subscribe on my YouTube channel for more keto goodies, products, items, beverages, and everything. And by the way, just so you know, I started when my weight was 88 kilos and now I am going to 67. Yay! Matabang, pero mukhang malakas ang tama. Tama ako sa utak, joke. Tama ako sa utak, joke. Tama ako sa utak, joke. Mukhang malakas yung magiging tama niya later. But then we'll see. I'll get back to you. Hindi siya mabango because kung tatanungin kasi gusto ko ng Sunmig flavored beer, yung apple. Pero at least matabang siya, no? Or ewan ko lang siguro dahil sa yellow, but it's not like the Pilsen, I'm sorry, but it smells like the pale Pilsen. Okay? By the way, guys, I'm with my husband. Kasi baka naman iniisip nyo, parang akong tanga mag-isa nagiinom. Say hi! So, ayun. Fast forward na lang natin, no? And then per bottle, I'll get back to you. I'll finish first the first bottle. Okay? Nakaubos ako ng unang bote. And may tama na siya. At feeling ko hindi ko maubos yung 4. Matabang, pero yung tama para sa akin is Red Horse. That's for me only. Hindi ko sinasabing sa lahat. Kasi again, hindi ako malakas uminom. Hindi rin naman mahina. Medyo na hihilo. Pero tolerable. That's for the first bottle. Each bottle is 330 ml. Medyo parang kumikirot dito. Feeling ko malakas na maka-hangover. So, sulit na sulit guys kung halimbawa makikipag-inuman kayo sa friends nyo. Talagang for the amount of 37 pesos, sulit na siya. Kasi I think mas pricey ang Red Horse. So, kung gusto niyo talaga magkaroon ng tama sa utak, I think this is effective. Medyo kaya ko pa, so I'll go for the next bottle. 1 down. Pabukas. Buti na lang may taga-bukas ako. Salamat. Patay na naman mamaya. Nakakainis. 1 more glass. Cheers. Cheers. Kala nyo ako lang, no? May kasama kaya ako. Hindi kagaya no, nagbabalag kayo lang mag-isa. So, let's start. I'll get back to you after this bottle. Okay? So, ayun guys. This is my second bottle. At tamang antok na po ako. Totoo. Hindi ko siya sinasabi kasi para may ma-review. Dahil antok, dinamaan ako ng antok. Hindi ako puyat. Tamang antok. Kasi siguro, wala naman ako sa inuman. Walang circle of friends around me. I just have here my husband tahimik. Walang videoke. Wala talagang party. Walang occasion. So, maybe that's the reason bakit sa second bottle, it feels like I wanna give up. I keep on burping. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko, guys. So, if you're maintaining 20 grams of carbohydrates a day, just make sure that in your solid food, wala kayong i-intake na kahit anong grams ng carbohydrates. Kailangan siya ay clean keto diet. Kung may bala kayong minom. Kasi per bottle is 2.5 grams na. So, if you're maintaining 20 grams, then you can finish 4. Kahit medyo tinamaan ako ngayon, I don't want kasi, hindi ko kasi gusto na isagad. Kaya pa, yes, but sa mga tuklo talaga. And I am not puyat. So again guys, thank you so much for tuning in my channel, and let's keep on winning by losing weight through keto diet. At least, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, lalo na kung hindi naman tayo umiinom ng mga hard like brandy or whiskey, then good thing may ganito na. But of course, abusing it is not an excuse. Let's keep it to ourselves na mas maganda pa rin na walang alak sa katawan. Wow! Salito. Nakakainis. Ayun. Diba? At least nakisama na yung malaking kumpanya para sa atin ng mga choosy. Or health conscious. So this is the first bottle. This is the first bottle I finished. This is the second. I'm done with that. Third. And the fourth. Please subscribe for more videos, for more vlogs about keto recipes, keto diet, keto techniques, and whatever keto goes on. Have a good night. Bye-bye. See you again on my next video. Bakit binibidyohan mo ako?